I started this journey on a mission to film the eastern slopes of Alberta. A journey to show all the beauty that the land has to offer, to introduce the remote areas of Alberta I grew up playing in that so very few people ever get to see. To help protect the land from the potential of coal mines, and preserve the watersheds that bring life to the majority of us who call the prairies home. I could have never imagined how the story would evolve, how the land and her beings have touched my soul, how the humans I've met along the way, who have devoted their lives to protecting and conserving, have reshaped my vision of humanity. And that in the process of all this, I'd meet the love of my life.
Before meeting Trav, my journey led me to many lands around the world, fully immersing in the beaches of Thailand, the volcanoes of Bali, the mountain ranges of Nepal and Italy, the green rolling hills of England, and enchanted forests of Scotland. Connecting to pieces of my ancestors and pieces of my soul through time and space. Living in devotion to my heart and to the heart of Mother Earth. When I returned home to Canada, I could feel this land, my birthplace, more deeply. My senses had become more attuned to all of the threads, all of the memories, all of the loving, nurturing ways in which nature holds, supports, and guides us. I returned home with a deeper capacity to cherish and honor all of what makes Alberta unique and so truly special. Fire in my heart began to grow, wanting, needing to know it even more intimately and to capture and share what I was seeing and feeling. Yearning to journey deeper into the world and the spirit of these animals beyond what most see. What started as a life living in ceremony with nature quickly ignited into a passion for photography and a love story beyond my wildest dreams. And now, together, we get to share her story through our lens with all of you. This immense magic that we call home.